Rich Wood from the Institute for Advanced Catholic Studies at USC. I'm here in Rome. That's the Colosseum you see behind me. Actually called the Roman Amphitheater, but commonly called the Colosseum, where legend has it that Christians were put to death there in the early years of Christianity. There's actually not historical evidence that that happened at the Colosseum, but certainly many early Christians lost their lives in the repression under Rome. Just come out of 3 days of really intense meetings with theologians, social scientists, church leaders out of the Curia, that is the Roman bureaucracy that helps lead the church, and the Office of the Synod that led the recent Synod process. And we've been here thinking about what went well with the Synod and what has not gone as well as it should. Some really good critical thinking, both by social scientists, by theologians, by leaders of the Synod, about what might be done differently as the Synod process goes forward. A couple good insights. One, that the church needs to do a much better job of representing all parts of the church within the Synod consultation process. Also, that there's a good constructive dialogue to be had between theology and the social sciences. That is, social sciences can help the church, help theologians really think about the realities that Catholics face in the world, other Christians face in the world. But one more to add, that the insights that social science has to offer may be able to help structure the Synod a little more rigorously in the future, so that the process really adds up to what it deserves to be as, at least arguably, the biggest consultative process in human history. Great to be here. It's raining here in Rome today, but if you think that's going to keep me from seeing the sights of Rome, you don't know Rich Wood.